Hello everyone, I'm Elaine. This is a popular stir fry coming from a less famous cuisine, Jiangxi cuisine. It is an excellent addition to our popular mushroom and pork belly stir fry. Let's begin. This time I use small mushrooms as they can absorb more flavors. You can also try golden needle mushrooms by cutting them into small sections. Other ingredients include pork belly. Remove the skin and cut into small pieces. 4 cloves garlic, roughly chopped. 4 fresh Thai peppers, cut into small circles. 4 scallions, separate the green part and white part. Add the vegetable cooking oil to the wok and fry the pork belly until well seared. Add garlic, Thai chili pepper, and the white part of scallions. Fry until aromatic. Add the rice wine. Add the mushroom mix. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mushrooms are thoroughly cooked. Add a tiny pinch of salt, light soy sauce, and some pepper flakes to improve the heat. Finally, add the green part of the scallions. Stir fry for 10 seconds and you are done. Winter is one of the best times to eat mushrooms. This is a superb complement to our widely loved mushroom and pork belly stir fry. It has become my new top recommendation for a spicy rice-killing stir fry dish. This dish is so easy and delicious, perfect for making at home. Give it a try. See you next time. Bye bye.